We know that sensory information will be stored in our short-term memory when attended to, but how much information is transferred from our short-term memory to our long-term memory? If we read out a list of words in order and ask someone to repeat them back to us in the same order, the person will typically remember the first few words and the last few words on the list, whilst the words in the middle of the list are not as easily remembered. This concept that we recall the first and last few words, but not the middle, is known as the serial position effect. The reason we are able to recall the first few words is due to the primacy effect. These words were rehearsed over and over again through maintenance rehearsal, and as such have successfully been transferred from the short-term memory to the long-term memory. The reason we are able to recall the last few words in a list is due to the recency effect. These words are the last items of information to recall, and as such still remain within our short-term or working memory. If we graph the recall results from the list of words, we can clearly see the primacy and recency effect in action. Note that the earlier and later the word is in the list, the higher the probability of remembering. So why are the words in the middle so much harder to recall than those at the start or end of the list? Our short-term memory can typically only hold around about 7 plus or minus 2 items at once. This means that if we receive more than that number of items of information, the older items will start being replaced by the newer items. At the same time, items of information that are being replaced are not rehearsed long enough to be transferred into the long-term memory, and as such are lost through decay. In summary, we recall information easier from the start of a list of words and the end of a list of words more than those in the middle. These are known as the primacy and recency effects respectively. This cognitive phenomenon is known as the serial position effect.